The fastest way to test your water for hardness is you can go to Lowe's or Home Depot or order from Amazon and get a test kit right away and check your hardness level. Now, this is a test kit that we got from Amazon strictly for hardness, so we're going to try it out today. I'm going to dip it in the water, and they give you a little chart on the back that you can compare it to see how hard or how soft your water is. Now, we've just tested this sample, and we're matching it up to the chart on here, and it actually shows this water is soft. So there's really no need for filtration. But your water can go from 0 on the hardness level in grains per gallon up as high as 105 we treated from a customer in Kansas. People ask me, at what level does hard water start damaging my plumbing and water using appliances? When you're at 7 grains per gallon and above, appliance manufacturers recommend installing a water softening system. People ask me, what does hard water do to the plumbing and the water using appliances? Things like it will cause scale buildup in things like a tankless hot water heater, a regular hot water heater, or your dishwasher. People ask me, are testing strips accurate? They're fairly accurate and can give you a good idea what the issue is. But our test kit, our third-party independent lab test kit to test for over 53 different contaminants, is extremely accurate and the most accurate test kit you're going to get. If you're on city water, people ask me, is there a way I can see what's in my water? Your water bill doesn't really show that, but you can request from the town or township that you're in. You can ask for a VOC report, a volatile organic compound report, and that's going to show you the different contaminants they may or may not have found in your water supply. After 32 years in the industry, the things I see, the biggest mistake I see what people make when testing for hard water or anything like that is they ignore it. They let it go, they don't treat it, and all of a sudden they have scale buildup in all their plumbing, their water using appliances. They're replacing hot water heaters, dishwashers, washing machines, and they could have avoided all that by just installing a water softener. So if your test comes back, it's say a number of 50 grains per gallon of hardness in the water, you want to size the water softener correctly. You want to go with at least an 80,000 grain unit to properly take out the hardness and still be efficient as far as salt and water usage.